What's up, guys? Welcome back to All Wings Everything. Yes, you are back in my kitchen with your boy Spinelli for another easy recipe. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make roasted honey mustard pork chop. Yes, sounds delicious. I know you're gonna love it, so I hope you're in your kitchen. I'm already in mine, so let's go. All right, guys, so here are the ingredients we're gonna use for today's recipe. Let me tell you what we have. Right here we have apple cider vinegar, salt, honey, black pepper, Dijon mustard. We're gonna use some grain Dijon mustard also, soy sauce, some garlic, and also the star of the show, our pork chop. So these are the ingredients, guys. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I've already measured out the ingredients. Let me tell you guys what I have right here. Right here I have 4 center cut pork chops here. They're maybe about an inch, half inch to an inch thick. Right here I have 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I have 4 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 4 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 4 tablespoons of the coarse Dijon mustard. I have a teaspoon of salt and pepper. I mixed them both in here. I have 4 garlic cloves chopped here and a half a cup of honey. So these are the ingredients, guys. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so let's go ahead and start combining all our ingredients. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna combine each ingredient into this bowl. Start with our honey here. Next, our garlic, our salt and pepper, soy sauce, our apple cider vinegar, our Dijon mustard, our coarse Dijon mustard. And what we're gonna do now, guys, we're just gonna give this a good mix. All right, guys, so it looks like we're got it all mixed up. Take a look at that and let's move on. All right, so the first thing I wanna do is I want to save, about a half a cup, and I wanna put this to the side and reserve it to when our pork chops are done. All right, so let me get this over here to the side. And what I want to do now is I want to bring in our pork chops. And what we're going to do is we're just going to pour our marinade. I want to make sure we get it on all pieces, just like that. All right, and what we're going to do now is we're going to let these bad babies marinate overnight. Then we're gonna pull them out and we're gonna get them into the oven and get them roasted. All right, guys, I'll see you in 8 to 12 hours. All right, guys, so we are about 12 hours in. So here are our pork chops. Take a look at that. So what we're gonna do now is we're going to add them to this roasting pan. So I'm just gonna remove them from the marinade. And guys, I've already preheated the oven to 450 degrees. Man, it smells so good. Some of that mustard grain on there. All right, so we're gonna put them in the oven. We're gonna let them cook for 20 to 30 minutes, flipping them over midway through the process. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and make this happen. All right, I'll be right back. All right, guys, so we're about 15 minutes in. So what we're gonna do is just gonna flip these bad babies over like this. We're gonna allow them to cook on this side. And what I want to do now is, remember, we had some of that sauce, reserved sauce that we had right here. So I'm just going to take some of it, and I'm just going to spread it over, baste our pork chops in there, because we want to make sure we keep that honey mustard flavor throughout the cooking process. All right, so I'm gonna put this back into the oven, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so we're 30 minutes in. You wanna make sure that your pork chops has an internal temperature around 145, 150. So take your thermometer out if you're unsure, but I know these bad babies are done. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and get them over on the plate, and I'll be right back. And there you have it, guys. Roasted honey mustard pork chops. Man, this looks so delicious. It smells so good. I wish you guys were right here in this kitchen with me. Man, I'm telling you, these bad babies look delicious. So I've left the measurements and the ingredients in the video description below, guys, so check it out. Also, I'm gonna leave the links to all the ingredients in case you need to get these ingredients from Amazon if you don't have them in your kitchen. Also, guys, thanks for supporting the channel by hitting that applaud button and also by buying that All Wings Everything merch. I really appreciate it. So now it's time to get into some quality control. We need to test these bad babies out. All right, let's go. All right, guys, so it's time for quality control. Man, look at here, look at here. Take a look at that, guys. Let's see if I can get this thing in focus, guys. Take a look at that. Ooh-wee, man. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut into this, not waste any more time, let you guys know what this is, what it's about. Oh man, look how cooked to perfection. Brilliant. Guys, take a look at this. Man, this thing is good, good, good. I like honey mustard too. I'm a fan of honey mustard. Let's get some more of this. Guys, you gotta try this recipe. Y'all already know what I'm gonna say. These some good groceries. All right, guys. Until then, I'm your cook, Spinelli. All Wings Everything, and I am out. Peace.